Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading, May 19th, Day Trade Room and Swing Trade Newsletter video recap. You ain't going to believe this day. In 15 minutes. Bang. Maybe start this one over. Let me see. No, we'll keep it. So let me show you this. In 15 minutes, we have 100 people left in the room from the action this morning. 3 people have not yet hit their goal. I have no idea why. Unbelievable. If you can't hit it, you got to check yourself in the mirror, see what you did wrong. I know you're not a pro trader. 26 people hit their goal, made between 1% and 5% on their entire account. 5 people made double their goal. They made between 5% and 10% on their entire account. 1 person made between 10% and 20% on their entire account. 1 person made over 20% on their entire account. And 15 people paper traded. 1 guy that lost, I guarantee you he's brand new. And the 1 guy that paper traded that lost should talk to me about a refund, because if you didn't make money today in 15 minutes on the biggest trading day of the month, there's a problem. Know how to play it, but it knew for sure that one guitar. Didn't know how to play it, that's for sure. Let me show you what went on here today. Stop this poll. Show me the money, guys. Nice job, Pro Trader JT. $304. Amazing job. Now we've got, whoop, I'm in a trade. Hold on. My screen's blinking. MNGA, I have nothing left. Flat. A10, have nothing left. Flat. Knew the screen was blinking for some reason. Got Giga. Going to be selling it up towards 3 again. Here's Giga, what we did before. 257 to 315. Did an all-in on Giga. Nice job. 280, baby. Nice. Beautiful. Didn't take long to understand. Pez 550, Pro Trader Jude 217, followed by Pro Trader Bohan 297 and Pro Trader Miguel 2 G's in 15 minutes. Dodge paper traded the second time. Nice. You ran MNGA from 148 to 54. Sweet. That's where we did it. Well, nice job. 310. Pro Trader Stuck 500. Pro Trader DC 815. Pro Trader Andres 250. Walsh 716.14, followed by the man Allen $3,211. Scrib Pro Trader 675. Very nice. Guys, when I call an all-in, you fall off your seat. You take your one account and you push it all in. You go to your other account, you push it all in. You go call your banker and you say, yo, give me all my money. I'm all in. Okay? When Mike calls an all in, you're all in. Do you follow? You see what happened to that stock when we did that? Follow, everyone? All in means all in. Does everyone follow that? Let me show you the volume of this stock. Stock's traded 4.8 million. So you're probably saying to yourself, oh boy, there you go. I know what they're doing. They got so many people in the room. They're pushing up the stock and they're doing it. Well, right now, there's no effect of anybody. The stock's flying down right now. So if we went in and bought right now, long 282 284, 285, start buying. You could buy as much as you want right now. Has no effect because the stock's coming down. So we're buying it, no problem. When the stock was right here at $3 and it went from 292 to 315, it traded 1 million shares. Right here, it traded 611,000 in a minute. These are 1 minute bars. So if you go to the 5 minute, the stock traded in this 5 minute 1.8 million, 1.4 million, 1 million every 5 minutes. So has no effect on what MOJO Day Trading is doing, trading the stock right now. And that's how we do it in the MOJO room. We take the most liquid stocks that there's no effect on the market, and we trade them at certain points according to the price scale. The price scale on this stock is between $2.50 to $3. So there's only something that can happen between $2.50 and $3. It's a ladder, and there's price increments all along that ladder. And we're playing the stock all along that ladder. Has nothing to do with the chart. Okay. So let me show you, because I got the swing guys here. So great job in the MOJO Day Trading room on trading Giga. Great job, Alan and everybody else. Nice. You made 73% today. It's ridiculous. Awesome. Nice job. 666 is correct. Nice job, everybody. Yep. Nice. Couple people taking me messages. So Giga, you should be in now. We'll sell it back at 93, 94. Did awesome on UVXY. Was one of the better trades today as well. We bought UVXY right here at 834 and we sold it up at 860. So let me show you the swing now. Swing subscribers. We're in UVXY. All right. We bought yesterday again. Let me show you the swing portfolio. In this market, what we're doing with the swing is phenomenal. So here's the swing. We're down on the Dow. We're down on the S&P. These are live. Every swing trade subscriber has access to the swing portfolio. This is the watch list, that if you need to buy more stocks, you can always take a stock off the watch list. So there's no skin in the game for me. There's only good research. I didn't say you should buy this and this is how you should buy it in the portfolio and do it as a real pick. So there's a lot of services that have these same lists. However, when a stock works, like INUV's up 7%, this one's up 5%, this one's up 20%, this one's up 1%, this one's up 30%, this one's up 33%. Listen, I didn't tell anybody to buy it, so I can't send out the newsletter like all the other newsletters do and say, hey, look at my great pick that I told you to do on MNGA at 130 and it's 156. It was just a watch list. However, a lot of the people in the arena that, if you're listening to this video, that you're paying for another service, they're giving you stocks off this watch list, so there's no skin in the game. Some of them have 20 on the list, so only 1 or 2 have to work, and they're heroes, not MOJO style. Here's MOJO's picks. The ones we're down on, we're not down that much, and when they move big. We have UVXY with a cost of 11. These options are expiring right now, as a matter of fact. So right here, if you go to these options, they're worth nothing. So right here, we're going to resell these covered calls. So we locked in 65 cents. The cost basis is $11 minus 65, puts it to 10.35 on the UVXY. So that's the new cost basis, is 10.35. We brought in 65 cents from doing the covered call on top of the $1.20 we did in the beginning of the month. So right here, we're inserting another 65-cent expired worthless covered call on UVXY. And we did it for 65 cents. Date was on the 5th. And we'll repeat that now for another one after the reverse split. So that was on 5/5. We closed it. Expiring worthless tomorrow. So that's going to be looking good. So it's worthless right now. Actually, we can buy it back for nothing. 5.19. Let's get rid of that. Now, that's 5.9%. Love that. So now we have JetPay, $2.92. There was a huge ask at $3 yesterday on JetPay, everybody. We saw it in the room. Let's see if it's there now. It's there. You see him at $3? He's holding it down with 100,000 shares. Guys, Giga, my position's just been reduced to half. Sold 292, 293, half left. Average was 87. Let's continue with the swing. So that's the JetPay. Now we have ICLD, which was is really moving, but we're not in it anymore. We were in it right here at $1.70, and the stock ran for us to 430. Great job on ICLD, which has been Mojo's swing pick for quite some time. What do I mean by quite some time? We owned it at $1.75, sold at 65. Back here in April. Wait, we traded in April. We got a little look. VLTC at $2.29. VLTC at $9. We traded VLTC in the day trade room at $3. VLTC we traded from 9. Traded it here from 8 to 11. Look at this scale. 8 to 9.45, 8 to 10.15, and 8 to 11.05. Sweet. And here's ICLD right here. $1.75. We sold some. We held it for 40 days. Here's some back here. ICLD at 220, sold at 255. Let's go back a couple of more months. We traded every month. ABCD from $1.65, sold at $1.85. Look at ABCD. ABCD, where is it on here? ABC from $1.65 to $3.05. Okay, look at it now. ABCD's $3.80 today. Sweet, huh? So now we have, check it out, Maru, $1.50. So we got Maru. We already sold Maru right here at $1.25 to $1.39, 3/4 of the positions closed. We have Maru, 1/4 of the position left. It's at $1.50. We're up 19.2%. You know what? See you, Maru, closing it. So Maru is closed. If it goes up higher, who cares? They all do anyway. So this one we're closing at $1.50, folks. Beautiful trade on the last Maru. Positions closed. Nice job. Done. This is 5.19. Beautiful. So we held that for 22 days. Done. So now we got Sunji Mobile. This morning, Sunji Mobile was over $5 in the pre-market. Here's what it looked like. See if I have a pic of it. Nope. But it's Gomo, and it did trade pre-market today right here, 5.15. Something's going on. I mean, it's only traded 2,000, but here's the daily in a base. So any kind of spike up on this stock, don't hesitate and take the profits on it, folks. That's it. Bottom line. Gene, We've got Gene, and I've been patient as can be in Gene, and I'm adding on Gene today. So Gene, we have right here at 451 as an entry. I'm adding on right now at 420. I'm getting the average to 430. It's now at 416. So this includes 2 buys. High today. Is that right? 419. Yep, and low 416. So it's in a tight little base. High 419, low 416. Let's get the average from 450 to 440. I'll even break buy more and get it to 35. Have a nice position from 50 to 35. And that's it. Gene goes back to 50. We'll sell half instead of being break even and let the rest ride. Beauty of scaling. SPDC, we rebought from 36. It hasn't done anything. HEB, I may add one more time for a bump and then get out of it at 25. I'm just waiting to see what it does right here. It's like with Gene, they're in the same industry as far as the Ebola craze. So YOD's done. YOD, we did very good on YOD. YOD, we got at 213, sold at 230. It went to 231, and then it went right here, and now positions closed. And that's it. Made 2 cents on the last. So this one, the scaling didn't work on the way up, but we're not going to lose on it. And that's what the point that counts. The YOD's positions closed. Great job on that. Done. Now you have UVXY at 950. We still have that one. And that's pretty much it. As a new pick added at 935 to average 950. I'm good with that. And we'll look to sell the covered calls. I want to see what happens after the split. See, Century Casinos is holding stable right here. BDE, we're up a little bit. And APPS, we're down a fraction. Okay, 3 cents. And these are the new ones from Sunday. UWN from Sunday, the #1 pick at 205, ran to 250. We sold yesterday at 225, 245, and then it reversed and we closed at 230. UWN right now is 212. Great job. Here's what it did yesterday. Awesome. On record volume that the stock's never, ever traded. How'd that happen? Mojo, #1 industry sector movement, Century Casinos. Right there, CNTY, the casinos are moving. That's why the whole industry sector's up. Guys, RGSE. Sent out the newsletter yesterday, and I said, look, here's what we're going to do. It's going to do a 20-for-1 reverse split, and cost was $340. Okay, so that was $330. Here's what we did. We brought the average down to $3. Here's yesterday's newsletter. Let me just open it up. Stock was 277, 280. We added. Took a chance and it worked. Here's yesterday's newsletter that went out. Adding to that position where everybody else would have been stopped out and then that they would have lost. So they'd be kicking themselves today. So here's what happened with that. Here's my update that I sent out yesterday at 1:56 p.m. on Real Good Solar right here. Mojo swing pick. Cost $330 after the split. Adjusted 20-for-1 from the 17-cent range. Now the stock is 243 low and 277 high. It's right here at 276. Okay. Major factor in play is that Mojo Solar Industries #2 sector this week. And if this little baby moves, it could be a darling as it has been in the past. The move here will be a major indication of the move to come over the next few days. That should mimic the move in UVXY that'll happen next week after it does the same reverse split. If this is the case, it's the bottom for UVXY. So we're going to add on UVXY, and we're adding here for the last time on RGSE to get the average to $3 right there. See it? That's the case. It's the bottom for UVXY, and we're going to add the last time there. We're going to hold off on the covered call, and we're going to add RGSE at 275 to get the average to 3. Boom. Okay. UVXY at 950. Stock low yesterday was 830. Okay. So we got the average from with 832 from 950 to 9. Okay. And that's it. We're going to look to make a run on this thing as it runs up. The high today was, we're not too far away, 860. So let's see it make a huge move like JNUG did when it did a reverse split. Here's JNUG at $1.80. Okay, right here. JNUG went from 13. Let me show you. Right here, $1.80 it went to, I think, right here. Everyone was freaking. Said, look, hold it. It did it reverse split at 18, and the stock ran up to $44. So this is the same sort of scenario that I think is going to happen with the UVXY. It could. If it does, that would be wonderful. Okay? Great job. Great job on Giga, guys. That's it. Sold half at 292. I'm flat on Giga. Nothing left. Day's over. Great job in the MOJO Day Trading room. How'd you do there, Alan? Sold Giga? Nice. Good job, everybody. What you increase? Anybody increase their profits? Nice job. It's 308 now. I'm going to play the JDST this morning through 7. Kind of missed it, but it's okay. We did great on everything else. So MOJO Swing. SPDC, we'll leave it for another day or two because it's low volume and it's in a base. We have, that's pretty much it. Let me go to the rest of the portfolio. I'll give you the rest of the update, and that's it. So BDE Black Diamond, we're holding. APPS, we're holding. Century Casinos, we're holding. These are the new ones that just haven't moved yet. They're all pretty much stable. And these, like I said, Varingo, it makes a move. Let's look to sell half. It was at 71 the other morning. Hebe, I'm holding. RGSE, we're taking a profit on. It's like a miracle. It's just a miracle. So RGSE, definitely out of half to 3/4 today. We'll hold the other quarter, see what she does. Gotta love that. Definitely half's being closed today. And the high on RGSE, everybody, was 363. So I fell off my chair before. And go see where we sold. Sold 1/4 and then a half. I think it was like 335 average. Yep. Sold it when it was 335. I'm gonna hold 1/4 of it. As we do. I'll go check where it was done. But great job on turning a loss into a 12% profit, at least. So great job on RGSE. And that's it. So good job, everybody. Thank you for being a member of the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter. Picks come out every Sunday night. And great job. Nice job, Alan. You increased your profits to $3,619 today. That's the way to be a champ trader. Like a hero. Like a hero. Never gonna stop. Nice job, everybody, for a Tuesday. Have a great day. Here's what we do at the end of the day right here. There's 20 trading days per month. Today we were done at 10 a.m. We hit our goals. We're usually done for the day by 11, but today we're done at 10. So sign off, everybody. We got 70 in the room. Go enjoy your day. Go have a great lunch. Go play golf. Go to the beach. Go hang out with your girlfriend, your wife, your kids. Just go relax. We'll bring it back tomorrow. We'll do the same thing. Mojo Day Trading. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Thank you, boss.